Bakit naman hindi? Ako nga interested.
Presents its own set of problems.
All the young people I meet in our country.
You know, the work is just so much. So
Rescuing and taking care of these animals.
And some of them get promoted to indoor cats.
I'm a dog lover as well as a cat lover.
How do we make people see naman their side?
Alam when you think about it, so
Yes.
please tell us.
no, it's never them.
Hello mga kabiyaya! Look who's here!
I'm here.
Finally! We were saying how long?
More than a year.
More than a year, nag-uusap na
Amazing.
kami. Sabi ko nga, ang hirap iligaw. Hi, ma'am. Sorry.
Remember I met you
Ternate.
Sa Ternate, my hometown, which is, I wanted to come back there kasi sabi may spay neuter and that's not like madalas na nangyayari doon. I want to be part of it. I want to be able to see how it's done and then probably it's destiny to meet you in my hometown.
I didn't realize it was your hometown.
That's my hometown.
Wow.
So, I had that urge to really go there that time. Tapos sabi ko, then we talked, sabi ko, oh. Tapos, another thing, mga tropa pips, this, mga kabiyaya, I didn't even know that Rina is part of Biyaya. I saw Biyaya in an event in Ayala Malls.
Tama.
And I sabi ko dun sa tao dun, ang ganda ng pangalan ng Biyaya. Because, the name of my dogs, diba? It's Tagalog, it's pure Filipino. Tapos, biglang nakita ko, Biyaya. Oy, ang ganda niyan. Sinabi ko, rescue. Tapos, eventually, I noticed, you're from Biyaya. You're the one who started Biyaya. So siguro, it's really a destiny. Tapos, magkalapit pa tayo.
Oo nga.
It's just one town.
Oo. Not so far, no?
Magkatabi lang.
Oo, Indang.
Paglabas mo dito, eto na ako eh. Diba?
Yeah.
So, destiny to be here and I'm so happy. Na-rescue po nga ito eh. Because of the typhoon. Tapos sabi ko,
actually, 2 typhoons yata ang natamaan namin
tapos
diba?
ang sabi ko pa, Pepito, get out because yung schedule, akala ko dumahan-dahan. But now it's here. I'm happy to be here to talk to you, to impart some things about what I know. And I want you also to be able to share what are the things that we see about animal welfare, about dogs in general, about cats in general, para the viewers, the mga kabiyaya natin dito, would be able to have that grasp of just being a responsible dog owner would help a lot.
Yes. Actually, yung last time we met was in Urdaneta Village.
Yeah.
That was last time we met. And you had an insight. We have insights, but sometimes yung mahirap is to put them into words.
Yeah.
Diba? And you had this insight na is hardly talked about, is hardly shared. And what your insight was, and I'm paraphrasing, was that we need to take care of our, not just the physical needs of the dog, not just the emotional needs of the dog, but they also need some sort of guidance, pet parenting, so that they also don't get abandoned, So please, share that. We were talking about breeds and what breed you should get kung depende sa character nyo or whatever.
Pero in generally speaking, Rina, number one cause of pet abandonship is because the dog is having behavior issues.
Yan. That is rarely spoken about.
No? Hindi lang dahil may sakit, dahil matanda or anything. But most of the time, people would bring their dogs to the pound or even message me every day, Sir Les, do you accept adoption? Kasi nangangagat na, all those things. So, if we see that na part yon ng number one problem ng pet abandonship, why not have the dog owners learn how their dogs would behave well so that maiwasan yung symptoms, yung manifestations na, ay kasi nangangagat na, ikulong na lang o kaya iligaw na lang. Diba?
Yeah.
You get that?
No, and then the kulong na lang makes matters
worse. Diba?
Diba?
Tapos
yun.
eventually, pag nakagat, ay wala na, iwan na lang. O may mga benta pa nga. And I hate that fact na dapat na control na yon na wala na sa bahay pa lang ng dog owners, hindi na lalala sa community. Ang problem kasi is lumalala siya sa community di ba? So, let's say, meron akong isang aso, hindi ko na control. Babae or lalaki? Babae. Hindi spayed, hindi neutered. Nangagat. Niligaw ko. Okay? Pinakawalan ko. Ilan ang magiging anak nun? Diba? So, dahil lang sa behavior issues, nag-root na yung problem hanggang sa overpopulation, pwedeng rabies, pwedeng sickness. Diba? So, bakit? Dapat ang tinutumbok natin is yung pinaka-root cause. Dog ownership. The reason why we have dog abandonment, the reason why we have dog cruelty, animal cruelty, and everything na tinatakal natin sa animal welfare is because yung basic system sa bahay ay may problema. Paano tignan ng isang tahanan sa Pilipinas ang aso? If mali na yung pagtingin doon, then definitely magkakaroon ng sanga-sanga. It will stem out. And that's what's happening right now. But if we start from the house teaching these people, dog owners, this is how you handle it, take care of their health, they have emotions, they need fulfillment, everything, they will start loving the dogs more and mababawasan yung pet abandonment. Diba? Alam nila na, I cannot be part of the problem because mahal ko yung aso ko. Kami, my wife, we have dogs, but we don't ever want to be part of the problem. We want to be part of the solution. Diba? I can own 50, 100 dogs in my place. But I don't do that because ang sinasabi ko sa mga dog owners, yes, pwede, pero ang daming asong pwede mong tulungan pa. Diba? Why would I limit myself, my resources to my dogs? Kasi kapag kinuha ko ng kinuha yon, then ang mangyayari sa akin, they will be thinking of me na, okay, dito ko lang inuubos, pero I want to help the community.
Yeah, no, and this is an angle that is rarely talked about, especially below a certain income bracket.
Yeah.
Kasi yung iba, kung may kaya, gumagawa. Diba?
Oo.
Yeah. So yeah. So
Hindi kasi dapat porkit may kaya ka, okay, I want 100 dogs.
Yun. Or
Diba?
or it cannot be na wala akong kaya, pero I'm not gonna learn how I can help my dog. Kasi you know, yung our experience, my experience is yung naa-abandon na pets is Chow Chow,
Yeah.
Malinois,
The working type.
the
mga
working type.
nangagat,
Kasi
diba?
yes, because they're also bored, hindi ba?
They get bored. They have just like you. You have a sense of purpose in life. You have a purpose in life, and this is your purpose now. My purpose in life is to be able to teach dog owners. Dogs, they have purpose, but if you don't fulfill them, then what am I gonna do? I need to find something to do. Diba? So, yun yung pinaka-critical sa akin na lagi kong sinasabi with the dog owners na for you to be able to enjoy the truest and sincerest love of a dog, you should be able to connect and fulfill. If you don't connect and fulfill, you're just doing it like gusto kong magkarang aso. And then, if you don't fulfill, then, okay, I can hire someone just to do it.
No, and then gusto ko ng aso na, let's say, husky sa
Kasi
Metro
yun yung,
Manila.
Kasi yun yung sikat, di ba?
Or ang matapang tingnan.
Yeah,
or,
yeah.
you know, it's without really studying the breed,
Yeah.
without and without realizing they don't know who they are.
Yeah.
So if they don't know who they are, they just get what their egos or what kind of looks good or what is sikat without realizing, oh my God, you're getting into some sort of trouble and you're troubling people.
It's not just troubling people, even the dogs.
You're hurting the dogs.
You are hurting the genuity
Yes.
of those dogs, which is bad because eventually if sikat yan o kaya may kilala yan, we'll be able to influence other people. You get this dog too, you get this dog too, you get this
Yes.
dog too. Hanggang, di ba, sa basic na pananaw lang natin kung ano yung aso, we always need to come back to that. And after that, everything will be okay kung yung pananaw mo doon. Kasi makakita ka kukuha ng breed ng ganito, nasa condo.
Yeah.
Di ba? Can't even walk the dog. Diba? Kukuha ng breed na maliit na aso, tapos ang sasabihin lang nila is because cute lang. Oh, ngayon, are you willing to go beyond kung halimbawa tumanda na yan? Hindi na siya cute?
Yeah, and there's a particular thing about breeds. They also have their own personality.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean na one size fits all.
Yeah, hindi pwedeng ganon.
May Shih Tzu na nangangagat,
Yeah. Kasi ang karamihan kasi sa atin, and I get it in my social media. Di ba yung Golden Retriever, ang babait niyan? I've seen a Golden Retriever really attack the kid. I've seen a Labrador bit me in the face. Di ba? So it's never just about the breed. Kasi ang breed for fulfillment dapat yan.
Yeah.
So hindi ka kukuha ng breed ng aso dahil gusto mo lang. Doon pumapatak yung pagiging selfish natin. We want these dogs because we want them to fulfill us.
Correct.
To fulfill something vacant here. But if you switch the position, the dog should be asking you, how will I fulfill? Who will fulfill me?
But that's a good point because by fulfilling or giving yourself to the dog, you get fulfilled.
Yeah.
You don't realize that.
Yeah. That's what we want rather than thinking of fulfilling myself first.
Oh.
You're putting kasi sa vision mo na kailangan ko kasi ng sumasalubong agad sa bahay ko. Kailangan ko kasi ng meron akong bebabyhan, meron akong dadamitan, meron akong ganito, everything. Kailangan mo yun. You never ask, ano yung kailangan ng aso? So that's where I come in. I always want people to realize they have needs, and for you to really feel that love, fulfill them first. Dapat selfless ka muna. For you to feel that love na talagang loyal sila sobra, hindi ka nila iiwan, all those things. Ang nangyayari kasi, talaga, and this is for everyone.
Ay, wag kayo matamaan
Okay lang matamaan kayo. Si Lester Sapanta to, matapang ako magsalita ng ganyan. So, pag natamaan kayo ng ganyan, intindihin nyo the deeper meaning of what I'm saying. The deeper meaning of what I'm saying. How do I enjoy dogs? How did dogs change my life? Because I allowed them to be dogs.
Ayan, ikwento mo nga. Te?
Yeah, when I was young, I always thought na pasikatan lang yung aso. Kaya kong ganto-ganto. I started with Aspen. So, my lolo had this Aspens sa mangingisda po ang lolo ko. So, ang bahay ko nandito, ang bahay ng lolo ko malayo pa. So, tuwing umaga, pag ako napagalitan sa bahay, doon ako matutulog kay lolo. Pag natulog ako kay lolo at kay lola, dahil mangingisda sila, I would see them go on their boat and the dogs would follow hanggang sa shore lang. So, minsan hindi alam, nagising na ako. Pagdating ng lolo ko, nandun pa rin lang sila sa shore. Hindi yung parang naka-trained na stay. They roam around, but they wait. Patiently waiting. And after that, makikita mo even na meron na sa mga banyera. You know, banyera, di ba? Yung mga malalaking palanggana nandun yung isda. They are very respectful. Tapos nun, one day, I asked my lolo, I want a dog like that. Siguro sabi ng lolo ko, I was 7 years old, you can't have dogs like this kasi hindi mo pa kayang pakainin, hindi mo kayang paliguan, di ba? And thinking siguro, you're too young to be responsible. So, it's because yun naging challenge na agad sa akin. Nung 13 years old ako, I asked ulit. Siguro, my lolo decided, it's time for him to have a dog. Binigyan niya ako ng Labrador na nangangagat. Yung Labrador na yun, tuwang-tuwa ako si Spawn. Nangangagat, galit sa pusa, galit sa aso, hindi mo mapakain kasi kakagatin niya talaga. Ni hindi ko mapaliguan. Alam yung ginawa ko, mga tropa pips, pinuntahan ko si lolo ko. Ayaw ko ng gantong aso. Sabi ng lolo ko, aso pa rin yan. If you cannot tame and learn that dog, then don't own a dog for your entire lifetime. Sinabi niya sa Chabacano ko. So, because you are wasting that dog's life. Alam mo naman sa mahirap sa probinsya, we don't want to waste anything, even life, even kung ano. So, my lolo values dogs, chickens, may kalapati kami, may baboy kami. Kahit mangingisda siya, madaming farm animals. So, after that, what I did was, I started, nakatali lang yung aso. And I'll be very honest, nakatali siya. It's because ayaw kong makagat. But, I was so persistent to learn how to be near that dog. So, nagpapakain ako, map, tinutulak ko. Yung hindi pa dog bowl, lagayan ng ice cream. Yung gano'n, di ba? But, tinutulak ko. But you get the point, mga kabiyaya. At a young age, I'm trying my best to do something for the dog so that eventually I can fulfill the dog and be part of his life. I just want to be part of his life. Not the other way around na I want him to be part of my life. No, ako ang gusto kong ma-involve sa kanya. Pag ganun yung benefit, hindi ko hinihingi yung benefit ko. Kasi nag-start na, gusto ko yung benefit ko na meron akong pagyayabang, meron akong asong ganito. Pero because of that behavior issues and sinabi ng lolo ko, kailangan ko pala, ako yung maging part ng buhay niya. Para mabago niya rin yung pananaw ko and buhay ko. So, it took me 3 years para mapaliguan yung aso. Ang baho ng aso na yon. Ang ginagawa ko, well, hindi pa uso that mga dog shampoo. Timba, water. Dati, ang ginagawa ko, mga sabon-sabon, perla. Right? Ginaganong-ganong ko. Tapos, pag bumula na siya, bubuhos ko lang sa kanya. Walang kusot-kusot. Tapos, hayaan ko lang ilang minutes, buhos ng tubig. And, doon pa lang, pinipilit ko na may gawin sa kanya. But, everything changed in this moment. Yung moment na itong pinaka-importante sa buhay ko na naisip ko na kailangan ko pag-aralang mabuti how dogs communicate. Why? May anti-rabies vaccine sa Ternate. Balikatan exercises, mga Americans. Sabi ko, kailangan niyang may anti-rabies pa rin. Hindi pwede. Kasi paano pag nakagat ako nito? Ang problema, paano ko siya kukunin? Ang ginawa ko, hinawa ko siya doon sa kadena. Pagkahawak ko sa kadena, pagkabukas na bukas ng gate, takbo, nakawala. Sabi ko, patay na, ang dami ng kakagatin nito. Alam mo bakit siya nakawala? Someone from the US Army, male and female, umupo. And sabi, oh, that's a good-looking Labrador. Lumapit. Hinimas. Okay, yung kaba ko para kagatin sa mukha. Tapos, nung nakita ko yun, I will tell you this. Yung high blood ko, nung batang sabi ko, 3 taong kitang inaalagaan. Hindi man lang kita nahimas. These people, ngayon mo lang nakita, nagpahimas ka na. So I know I was doing something wrong. It's about admission. If you don't admit to something, Rina, you won't be able to change.
No, absolutely. Right? Yes.
Acceptance that you did wrong. What I was doing with that dog, I was doing something wrong. Gusto ko siyang gawin ng ganito, pero in that way, may process akong mali. So sabi ko, tingnan ko ulit. Kung mahihimas ko siya. Nagulat ako, nahimas ko na siya continuously and naging part na ako ng buhay niya. But because yung nangyaring yun, iniisip ko muna, baka pag nasa labas ng bahay, mabait siya. So doon kami madalas. Doon nag-start yung dog walking. Kasi habang nagdo-dog walk ako, doon ako tsumetsempo ng himas-himas. Hanggang nasanay, hanggang nadala na sa loob ng bahay na, ito pala yung feeling kapag nag-bond ka muna sa aso, pinagkatiwalaan ka, okay na. And then I can feed that dog with my hand. I can bathe that dog na parang sobrang saya niya lang. Doon ko rin napatunayan na that dog only reacted to my fear of getting bitten. Di ba?
Your projection.
Yeah, kasi yung dalawang army, hindi niya nakita, seconds lang, nagpahimas na siya. Ako, 3 taon niyang kasama, parang bakit nag-growl siya sa akin? It's because I have that fear. But when I lose that fear, the dog would accept me wholeheartedly. Who am I? That dog lived for 16 years. I so love that dog because that dog changed my life. There won't be Pinoy Dog Whisperer if not for that dog. Every time I remember that dog, it's something that sobrang close sa puso ko na parang sinasabi niya lagi na, you can do this, you can do this. Because my sister was in college in UP that time. I have a single mom. My mom is always teaching. I'm alone. I want to have friends. If I go out to my friends, pwede ako dun sa mga tao sa labas ng barangay namin, I can go do a lot of crazy stuff. So what I did was with Spawn, we stayed backyard. Nagtatago ako para hindi matawag ng mga kaibigan. I was introvert with that dog. Pero that dog, listen, never judge me for who I am. Never.
That's what dogs do, no?
Yeah. Diba?
Pure.
Diba? I can rant about anything towards you. You will have that certain judgment or to anyone. But dogs, you can rant all the time. Nakatabi mo siya and just kick the grass. Okay, let's go. Move on. Diba? That's how much I love dogs. And that's the reason why I want other dog owners to have that feeling na sobrang genuine na i-fulfill nila yung aso nila so that hindi na tayo magkaroon ng problema outside of our house of pet abandonment and everything, nakakagat or anything. Kasi the moment you feel that, yung value na gusto mong maramdaman na hinahanap mo sa maling tao, sa maling kung ano-ano, sa aso makikita mo sobra. Sobra. Pero, ang requirements lang, trust, respect, and fulfill that dog. That dog. Sobra. Feeling ko, I always tell my wife, feeling ko, if not that moment that Spawn did with that Americans, I won't be able to learn how to read body language and energy. And after that, I always wanted to have another Spawn. Pero, mga kabiyaya ha, wag maano yung iba ha, kasi isa pa yan sa pet abandonment, di ba? May isang aso, sorry for the word, namatay yung isang aso, kukuha ng kapalit na feeling nila kaugali nung aso nilang mabait before. Because they are mourning, nag-take over yung isang aso. Ay, bakit ganyan kayo? Si ano naman dati, hindi ganyan. Iwan na lang, papabayaan na lang. Kahit hindi pet abandonment, papabayaan lang. Because may gap. They're expecting that all of their dogs would be like that.
The same.
The same.
They have characters.
So, nung bata ako, nung nawala si Spawn, I always wanted to have a Spawn. But, tumama sa utak ko one day, I don't need to have another Spawn. Because his Spawn is just unique. I can have other dogs and they will also change my lives differently. Diba? So, I would honor Spawn. I would honor Akia, Tatang, my dogs, Inka, the way they live their lives with me. Not the way I want them to live with me. Diba? So I think dapat sa atin mga dog owners, let's be selfless first.
Yes.
To find ourselves.
Yes. Yes, actually we find our purpose by finding their purpose. It's the same with me. It's like when people look at me and they say, when they look at me, some family members think I've gone crazy doing this.
No.
Yeah, no. Honestly, it's like, you're throwing your money away. I said, I don't do drugs.
Yeah.
I don't go to the beauty parlor, as you can see. I do like to drink, but what does that cost?
Yeah,
Nothing.
I do like to drink.
Yeah. But this is I found myself, my purpose through them.
Yeah.
I mean, how many people have that chance?
Yeah. And at the end of the day, I can proudly say, I lived and died with my dogs.
Correct!
Happily.
Right?
feel.
Even when they say, hindi ka ba pagod, Rina? Parang hindi ka na natutulog, and stuff like that. I said, but actually, I don't feel the tiredness. Sometimes, yes, bagsak. Pero
Yeah.
I just, parang there's this energy. And you just keep on going. And you keep
Let
on
me
going.
answer that why. Because when you do love what you're doing, it's not a job. When the other people think that this is your job, it becomes a problem. They're from them na thinking, trabaho mo to, paulit-ulit na lang. But from our perspective, even nga nagsa-session ako, di ba? Nagtra-training ako, I get paid to train, I get paid to do this. But, para sa akin, that's not a job. Additional na lang yun eh. The main purpose is yung passion mo towards animals, towards dogs. And that's the reason why hindi tayo napapagod.
Yes.
Diba? It's not about of question is how strong you are, how can you manage this, all these things. It's about, are you happy doing this? And when you're happy doing this, you cannot never go wrong.
No, and how do you put a price to that?
Yeah.
You cannot. There's no number eh.
No.
Parang hindi pwede. And then what I also realize is I learned how to let people be who they are.
Yeah.
Because they let me be who I am. But I also am looking into, ganun ka pala, o sige, si ganito, like one of our other dogs is supposed to get adopted, and I was like, matirik eh. Sometimes when he's so cute, but he has his moods. I was like, we have to find the right adopter for this person. This dog, because each of them are unique. So,
Personalities.
unique. So we rescue, we rehabilitate, and we try to rehome.
Yeah.
But it's not according to us. We got to rehome X number. No. Find the right human for the right, and there's purpose for that din.
And then it will come back dun sa sinasabi ko kanina, yung basic problem sa bahay.
Correct.
If nag-rehome ka and it doesn't fit the bahay and the household, everyone is not in unison to what they want, how they want to fulfill the dog, then yung ni-rehome mo, wala rin lang.
Yeah, but there's also like a special thing. I actually asked Barbie to do the adoption. Hindi na-attach ako. Sometimes I don't even wanna name them. Sometimes I don't even wanna name them. Kasi once you give them a name, parang, di ba?
Don't talk about that with me and my wife kasi yung mga ducks namin may pangalan.
Oh, yun. So parang yung feeling ko is, I have a hard time with the rehoming, but it is a duty also. Because they need their own human.
Yeah, and I want you to I want every animal welfare group or animal rescuer to think of it this way. Rehoming to the perfect, the proper and fitting family means giving a chance for that family to be more responsible and eventually help us with our cause.
Yeah. And I was talking to someone yesterday, and she said that when they brought in pets to their home, they bonded.
Yeah.
The humans bonded because, first of all, ang dami nilang kailangang gawin.
Yeah.
So yung mga maliliit na bagay is no longer like top of mind, or they don't, they're not so aware of it. But then they started to discover things. I see the mother daw likes to cook. So the mother started to cook queso duck soup kasi for the dog. So sila nakikinabang.
Yeah.
So parang, di ba? Parang, so
It's
they
magical.
bring out the best in us.
It's magical.
They can bring out the best in us.
Yeah, and that's the reason why I believe dogs are magical creatures.
Yeah.
Right? Me and my wife, we don't fight in front of our dogs. Yeah, it's never that.
There's a kwarto.
We cannot fight because the moment we fight, they would view us. The dogs would feel that stress. In fact, we don't want them to feel stressed. Ngayon, another thing would be kaya sila magical because a family, kagaya ng sinabi mo, they never knew that they needed a dog to be bonded again.
Mediator.
Diba? So parang pagdating niya ng ganon, the dog would just feel na, there's something lacking. I will give you this. So that, di ba, merong mag-assign magpapakain, may mag-assign papaligo, and it's something na it's good that they can put that dog in the center of the family because that dog would just calmly and unconsciously share the love, oxytocin, dopamine, everything there. So for the dog, for the humans out there who na gustong mag-rehome, please mag-adopt. Please be careful na dapat fit talaga sa inyo. Kasi magiging useless yung pag-a-adopt nyo kung hindi mag-fit sa family nyo. And hindi lang dapat isa yung mag-decide. Dapat the whole family so that you will be able to shower that dog with proper love.
Actually, that's why we deliver the dogs and the
Yeah.
cats. We don't like it's a adoption event and you can take home the animals.
Yeah.
Hindi pwede. We rehome them. We see. We constantly keep
Yeah.
contact. There's a interview process, etc.
Which is good. Hindi yung basta na lang, gusto mo, eto, pili ka. Diba? Hindi
ang
pwede
dami,
ganun.
di ba? Di ba?
Ang
It's
dami,
not
pili ka
about
lang.
getting rid
Yeah.
of, we adopt. It's not again about the numbers.
Yeah, like
It's
you're
about the
thinking, I
success.
have a lot now. Pakuha mo na yung 10. Hindi
Yeah.
naman ganun yun eh.
No, hindi nga eh. Yeah, so I think it also teaches, aside from that, us as the guardians. We're guardians for them.
I call you gabay.
Gabay.
That's the reason why. Di ba yung leash ko, I call it gabay.
Is this your leash?
Yeah, that's my leash. You know why?
Why?
It's because napakapangit ng connotation for me ng tali, ng kadena. That's the reason why ginawang ko siya ng pangalan. Gabay, meaning at yung leash. That is for us to be able to guide the dog to proper behavior. Ang pangit kasi, di ba, ikadena mo na lang yung aso, itali mo lang, di ba? It's parang suffocating and it's somewhat na parang restraint lang. Unlike when you say gabay. I'm putting that gabay word there para mas tumanim sa utang ng mga tao to guide. Di ba? So, with that simple thing, I'll be happy that most of the people right now, they use gabay as how they describe yung training leash. Even if it is not the brand ko na ginagamit nila, it's just that tumatak na yun sa gano'n. So, simple change ng name to give respect and hindi siya maging bad connotation means a lot.
Actually, that's very true.
So,
the words
yeah.
we use, which is why I chose Biyaya.
Yeah. Diba?
So how can we be a blessing?
Yeah.
How can you, as a human being,
Blessing for the dog.
be a blessing?
Yeah.
Right? And also notice the blessings we have.
Appreciating.
Right? And saying, so it's like gratitude. And it attracts that positiveness.
Yun minsan yung nakikita kong kulang with people nowadays. Just appreciating the simple things. I appreciate my dogs just staying with me when I'm in the duyan. I appreciate my dogs just being calmly looking at me when I cry, when I talk. Sa tao ngayon, they want more. They always want more. So, the good thing about Biyaya is you are appreciating the sense na eto sila, ni-rescue sila. You are giving value to that. And unconsciously, hindi mo alam na they will give the blessing back to you.
Yeah.
Even if you don't expect it.
Yeah.
Even if, di ba minsan may sakit ka,
Oo.
so mapakiramdam mo, magugulat ka lang may aso na. Hindi ka niya kukulitin, pero nandun lang.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it's more than Biogesic or paracetamol.
No,
that feeling,
that's
di ba?
very true because I have a very small dog. She never grew. She's this big.
Yeah.
It was given to me. She's tiny. And what she does when I'm feeling like
Under the weather.
stress, it's iba because of what we go through on an everyday basis. In fact, somebody was saying, Rina, don't you have compassion? Ano yan, fatigue? Sabi ko, I don't know. I don't think about that. Parang, I'm sorry. We're at a certain age level where we weren't allowed or indulged to feel that way. So parang, no, but si Mimi, because her name is Amihan.
Yeah.
Amihan.
Nice.
Mimi, she'll come and she'll sleep right here in my solar plexus because I sleep on my back. She'll come and she's so tiny. And then when I feel her, all of a sudden, kasi this sometimes parang it protrudes when you're,
You're stressed.
Parang,
Nagta-tighten up.
Nagta-tighten up. She sits there and that pressure, parang that weight, I feel my entire body like
loosen up.
And parang I'm melting into the bed, and I was like, what superpower do you have? Parang me, because amihan, what superpower do you have, right? And it's like they have superpowers and we don't even know it.
And then people would ask, what's up with them? Why do you love them so much? This, right? This. I don't even know that they can do that, but they did it. So we just appreciate that.
No, and it's so funny because they say, oh, Rina, you're a strange kind of introvert. I said, yes, I'm a strange kind of introvert because I could be with the dogs and the cats and I don't need to see humans.
Yeah.
Right? But people don't realize I do love humans. I do. Like you, I'd love to talk to you, So that's not exactly an introvert, but it has to be a human that understands and gives me that space, the space that the dogs give me.
I think it's more of the reason why we're hitting off this way. It's because of the same energy that we're projecting, because I believe in energy.
Yes.
If energy is bad, then you won't be able to have this relationship and this talk. Same thing with my wife, diba? Kami, we live in hacienda ni Tatang, and we can, just the two of us and all our animals there, we can stay there for 5 days, 6 days na walang labasan, walang problema. It's because there's something, same energy that we want. So, yung pang unison na kasi yung energy and yung thinking mo, everything settles down. Same thing with the dogs. You can look at those dogs. All the energy I see there, calm energy. Same lang. So, di ba, yun yung nadadala nila. So, same thing with our dogs and our animals. Once we are calm, they're calm. Once we get stressed, they feel that stress, they would either overpower that stress or they would do something crazy para matawa kami.
Yeah.
Diba? Halimbawa, si Pablo, diba? Nung aso ko. Kilala nila. Diba, na-stress ako, makikita ko na lang. Nililinis yung tenga ng isang aso ko, kung ano-anong ginagawa nila. And yung mga ganong bagay dapat yung parang feeling ko na hindi na-experience ng mga taong nagka-question sa'yo about being yung parang sobrang mauubos na yung pagiging compassionate mo. Diba? Hindi kasi nila parang naiisip na parang the reason why we continue doing what we do is because we experience this.
Yes.
Because I bet you won't do this if you don't experience that.
Correct.
Happiness.
Absolutely.
We push to that. We want that. When we want to feel that, and when we're feeling that, para tayong mga dogs, we need to repeat what we're doing to get that.
Correct. Absolutely.
Diba? Kaya nabubuhay tayo. Biyaya is here, the Pinoy Dog Whisperer. Kaya parang kung iisipin nila, parang cycle ba yung ginagawa namin? Yes, it might be for other people thinking na cycle, but magkakaiba yung pakiramdam namin lagi dun sa cycle na yun. Mas masaya, mas sumasaya.
Yeah. No, and then there's a learning that you can't put into words eh.
Emotions.
Oh, there's something na parang like when they're calm or when you're going on a walk or I don't know. So it's like a sinking, and I really believe we are born for connectivity.
Yeah.
Life forces are born to connect. And in the connection, there's like something shared but what? I don't know. Parang, and that sharing makes us happy.
Yeah, and when that makes you happy, you're gravitating towards it.
Yes,
more.
And then what you say, stop, repeat. Stop, repeat.
Pero para sa outside view, ang tingin kasi nila doon, cycle lang na parang repetitive lang. Pero hindi nila alam na bawat cycle na yon pwedeng sobrang saya, ibang kasiyahan naman to, ibang
It's
joy,
iba.
ibang tawa dito, di ba? So, there are certain ways on how we feel na kahit cycle siya, hindi siya pare-parehong saya. Kasi minsan sobrang saya, minsan sobrang ika-calm down ka lang ng dogs mo. And I believe this, Rina, and for everyone watching, dogs are here to make us all be a better person.
Yes, absolutely.
No way that dogs are here for us to be cruel. Dogs are here for us to be better because dogs will challenge you and guide you to be better. Kagaya ko, nung nakuha ko si Spawn, tingin nyo kung hindi ko nakuha si Spawn, magiging ganito ba ako? Diba, the learnings and everything? Spawn made me a better person. My other dogs made me a better person. Ang daming aspect ng buhay na yung aso, yung si Inka, si Sofia, my first Doberman, showed me how to really focus on the body language ng aso. Si Cara, my Labrador, showed me that when you have a problem, you just kick off the grass and move on. Diba? And Spawn is my soulmate. Lahat sila may tinuro sa akin eh. Yung sense of calmness dun sa mga ibang aso. Parang akala kasi ng tao, isa lang naman matututunan mo sa aso. No. Lahat ng emotions, roller coaster emotions, they can teach you. Lahat ng learning sa buhay, they can teach you. There would be dogs, even not my dogs, students ko that would keep me and teach me to be more patient. My wife always asked me, and everyone would ask me, na kakilala ko, bakit sobrang pasensyoso mo? I always am proud to say, it's because of dogs. I need to be patient because when I am training and rehabilitating a dog, hindi pwedeng orasan ko yung aso.
No.
Kailangan hindi na mangangagat. Hindi ganon. You just have to stay there and wait till they offer a different behavior. Tapos, dun ka papasok. So, people should understand na yung tinuturo ng mga aso, hindi rin lang yan sa may breed. Hindi lang silang matalinong aso. Aspins would teach you a lot of great things, lalo na they came from the streets.
Ay, oo.
When they came from the streets because of that, grabe yung perseverance niyan. Kanina pa lang, pagpunta ko dito, may nakita ko nasa bubong ng kubo, di ba?
Yeah.
They can stay there. They can solve problems.
No, and you know what? There's something that I feel it's like they know you rescued them.
Yeah.
They know that.
do.
So iba yung ano nila.
They
In
do.
fact, yesterday someone was telling me, my purebred Jack Russell is parang nahihirapan siya. But look at this. I rescued her and she's just fine. She never pees in the house.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying naman trash the breeds, but I'm just saying that it's like nahirapan sila sa buhay.
Yeah.
So they're persevering, they're patient, they intelligent.
Problem solver sila. Problem solver sila. Kaya nga, laging sinasabi even way before, for those household dogs na may breed, dog owners should be able to let them experience yung buhay sa labas ng bahay. I'm not saying leave your dogs out. What I'm saying is walk your dogs on the streets so that they would learn this is a car, this is another cat, this is exposed. And then after go home. That's mental stimulation for them.
Yeah.
Why are the Aspins really smart, street smarts? It's because they need to solve the problems by themselves. Tapos yung mga nasa bahay ngayon, meron ka nang tulong ng dog owner. Hindi pa makasolve ng problem na maayos. Samantalang sila, they need to find water, they need to find food, they need to solve the problem of not getting hit, diba? Na hindi mang-away. They can stay with cats, they can stay with chickens. Samantalang yung mga alaga sa loob ng bahay, pag nakakita minsan ng cats, galit na galit. And these Aspins rescues are well adapted to the stresses of the environment. Sobrang adapted nila. You can answer this, Rina. Ang dami ko na nakilala. Aso nila pag nakikita ng batang tumatakbo, galit na galit.
Yeah.
Aspins. Aspins, may naglalaro na bata, nakahiga lang, watching. How? Di ba, nakita mo yung difference?
Yeah.
The only problem they have, shelter, food, health. Di ba? Pag yun na-solve natin, we can always shower them with all the love. Di ba? Samantalang yung nandito, wala na nga silang problema. Mayaman, naka-aircon pa yan, di ba? Pero the stress na ginagawa nila because of unfulfillment and they're exposed, nagkakaroon ng lamat yung relationship ng dogs and dog owners.
That's the parang the inability to show natural behavior.
Yeah. Kaya with what I do, I always tell everyone, hindi ko tinatanggal sa training program ko yung naturalesa ng aso. Dinadirect and ginagabay ko lang siya dun sa proper and civilized way. Diba?
Actually, that's the thing that bothers me with some of the training, no? Na you already are on the verge of changing the personality of the dog versus you study the dog, this and that. You direct and then parang you calm the ones that are maybe not desirable and the ones that are you give focus on the good traits.
Yeah.
Diba?
Nawawala yung genuine na characteristics nila eh. Halimbawa ako, kung halimbawa si Bebe P, yung Labrador ko, tanggalin ko sa tubig, hindi ko payagan sa tubig, masaya siya sa tubig eh. Binabago ko sa niya. And you can also ask yourselves, being humans, do you want someone to change how you want yourself to be? No. So why change a dog? Diba? Parang, okay, like the Jack Russell, gusto niyan tumakbo, gusto niya mag-hunt. Ayaw ko niya mangungulit, dapat dito ka lang. So, ang mangyayari doon is, naka-enclose sa kanya. And then eventually, pag may chance siya, doon niya gagawin. Rather than, think of it this way, Jack Russell, gusto mong tumakbo, mag-hunt, bibigyan ko siya ng way to do that naturally without harming other animals, without harming people. And once nagawa niya yun, fulfilled na siya, then he can come back and just
chill.
Diba? Wala kang na-compromise. You see, I hope you see the training program on the principles that I have. Wala akong kinokompromiso. Binibigay ko pa rin sa dog yung gusto niya. Pero, look at it. Pagkabigay ko sa kanya, you give me this calmness. So, ngayon, anong nauna? Nauna pa rin yung pag-fulfill sa kanya kesa sa sarili ko. Yun yung sinasabi ko, dapat selfless muna tayo para mas makita natin yung kabuuan. Kasi ang nangyayari ng tao, gusto niya munang makita yung, sana kalmado ka, sana kaganto ka. Di ba? Ang daming sana ganito yung aso ko, sana nang ganito yung aso ko. Hindi pwedeng sana ganito yung aso mo. Ito yung aso mo. Deal with it. Think of ways paano mo mas ma-fulfill siya yung aso sa gusto niya. Rather than kung anong alam mo lang. I hope you get the point
totally.
of what we're trying to do.
Totally. But I also think that is a self-discovery.
Yeah.
I mean, in yourself, na parang, wait, I need to do this because I want that. It's not because only what you want.
Yeah, diba?
So again, it goes back to your selflessness.
Yeah. Doon talaga pupunta kasi.
You have to give to be able to receive.
Yeah, and you see this. Normally, the conflict arises even with people to people is because you want to get first. You want to receive first before giving.
Lamang.
Yeah. Diba? Dogs are not that. Dogs will give you even if they're giving.
Pure eh. It's a pure kind of energy eh.
Kaya nga, if they are like that, why can't we be like that? So that everyone would be unison and balance. Diba? Hindi pwedeng pahila lang tayo ng pahila na sa akin, gusto ko sa akin yung pasok ng gusto ko. Kung lahat ng gusto ko, makuha ko muna bago ko ibigay sa'yo to. Ako, I give everything to my dogs first. And in fact, I don't even expect them to return it. But they are returning it tenfolds. So, ngayon, you would be questioning doon sa mga nanonood. Dapat tinatanong natin yung sarili natin. Tama ba na sila muna, bago ako. If you haven't done that, try to do it. So that you can discover your real self and your real dog.
Pero you just said something that's making me think, no? It's also our expectation. You have to be open to what they can give.
Yeah.
Not na ito yung gusto ko 1 2 3 1 2. Hindi pwede. Ibibigay ko to.
Yeah.
Then mag-abang ka na lang.
Kung ano yung ibigay niya.
Oh, and be grateful. So it teaches us gratitude na this is what they can give. And that is something that we can also do to humans.
Yeah. Dogs would teach a lot of good things so that we can be better people.
Yes.
Diba? Parang, my story. Nung una, diba, Maga? I wanted to have a Doberman when I was young because I know that Doberman will guard me, help me. What did God give me? A very chill Doberman. Can't even hurt a fly. So do I need to change that Doberman? Do I need to change that Doberman? No. I need to accept that. And I was so happy. Sabihin ko sa iyo, yung Doberman na yun, pag nakakita ng langgam, gusto pa umiwas eh. But she's not natakot. And I named that Doberman Sophia. Soft-hearted angel, ibig sabihin. Ang gusto ko sa kanya, soft-hearted angel. And it's brainy. Sabihin ko sa iyo, lakad na chill. Dahan-dahan. And sa sobrang sabi ko, I wrote articles for my first 3 dogs who died. Spawn, for all the dogs na passed away. Spawn, Kara, Sophia. In fact, it can be a book now. Okay. Tata, Akia, Donya, Akia, Inca, and Schofield. Lahat sila, iba-iba yung lessons na tinuro sa buhay ko. I wrote that.
You should make the book, publish it.
I can publish it, but gusto ko ata pag na-deads na ako. pero lahat sila may tinuro sa akin. Diba? Lahat sila may tinuro sa akin. Yung si Spawn yung una. But yung si Sophia na yun, diba? Na I need to accept what's in front of me. I don't need to look for more. If you start looking for more, kumuha. Babalik din tayo dyan sa yung sinasabi mong expectation eh. Paano kung isang tao gustong kumuha ng Belgian Malinois kasi gusto niya may matapang na mag-guard sa bahay nila. Paano kung parang Sophia din yun? Di anong mangyayari doon? Pag hindi niya in-accept yun, ano ba yan? Ayaw man lang tumahol, ayaw man lang ganito, di ba? So nagkakaroon lagi ng gap and ng crack doon sa relationship because of not fulfilling what you expected.
And they know that, huh?
Yeah, and they know that. They would, and the moment na naramdaman ng aso yun, hindi pala ako nababagay sa'yo. Yun na yung disconnect. Diba? I hope the viewers would be able to see the deeper meaning of what I'm saying. Na unconsciously, yun yung nangyayari. Pwedeng hindi mo alam. But when you go back to your previous dogs na na-experience mo na gano'n, there's a light bulb moment, nga no, parang gusto ko siya maging gano'n dati. Kaso hindi siya gano'n. So nagkaroon ng crack, nagkaroon ng behavior issues. Diba? Yung Sophia na yun, si Sophia, that Doberman, dahil wala talaga siyang masaktan, walang kahit ano, walang gagawin. Alam mo, ginawa ko sa kanya? Lap dog, service dog. Yun yung gusto niya eh. Alam mo, pilitin ko siyang magtrabaho.
Yun. Di ba?
Sabihin pa sa akin ng aso ko, kinuha-kuha mo ako, tapos pipilitin mo akong magtrabaho. Diba?
That sounds like Filipinos how they raise their children. Yeah. Sorry!
Yeah, diba?
Sorry!
But that is pure honesty what happened to me.
Yeah.
Kung halimbawa ang dumating sa akin si Sophia na working dog, talagang gusto niya magtrabaho, energy niya, gustong gagawin ko, bibigay ko sa kanya. I-fulfill ko pa rin siya. Pero yung fulfillment na gusto niya, nakahiga lang sa tabi ko, ganyan, lalakad sa beach, after maglakad sa beach, buong araw nakatihayang ganyan, alam nga naman pilitin ko yung aso na, hoy, mag-bum sniffing ka, hoy, mag-guard ka. No, not gonna happen. I don't ever wanna change a dog because only of what I want.
You know, I have a friend. Husband is a Navy SEAL.
Yeah.
The wife is a Marine. Okay? And she learned that from her dog.
Yeah.
And, you know, Navy SEAL, they special operation. So, So sabi ko, hindi ka ba natatakot minsan? Ganon. Sabi niya, pagpigilan ko. Baka sisihin pa ako.
Diba?
And that for me was so selfless of her. Diba? And they're both in the military, husband and wife. And I was thinking, they go through a lot.
Yeah, sobra.
Sobra. And then for her pa to say,
pati yung being away.
Oo, most especially that. And for her to say, pagpigilan ko kasi, di ba kasisihin ako?
Yeah.
Let him be, dun siya masaya.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, so sabi ko, saan mo na ano yan? Sabi niya, sa aso ko. Sabi
You
ko,
just have to have that vision kasi kung mahirap kasi pag wala kang vision kung ano yung gustong iparating sa'yo ng aso. Nagiging box ka na dun sa alam mo lang. And I can tell this to everyone. Siguro the reason why I'm like a sponge to learning, because when I'm in a room full of people, I don't want to be the smartest guy. If I'm the smartest guy, it ruins kung ano yung gusto kong i-absorb na mga learnings. So, kapag ganun yung feeling mo na alam mo na lahat tungkol sa aso, hindi mo na sila pag-aaralan. Ako, I can tell you, I'm good. I'm probably one of the best. But still, kulang pa rin yung learning ko, feeling ko sa mga aso. Because that gives the space to
for
learn
something,
more
yeah.
and to be able to really appreciate them more.
You really need that humility.
Yeah. Mukha lang po akong mayaman. Mukha lang po akong maangas. Pero you can ask my wife. Sobrang ano.
Sino ba yung boss?
Sobrang. Sabi ko nga sa wife ko. And she knows that she can attest to it. When I'm in front of a dog, everything changes. When I need to deal with the dog, everything changes. It's locked up in here. Ang tingin ko, pag ako, ito akala nila ng mga clients ko and everything, pag nagtra-train ako ng aso, siguro pakiramdam nila ang goal ko is to change agad yung behavior ng aso. No! Ang goal ko is to learn, why are you doing this? Hindi yung process na technical na agad, ganito gawin mo. No! Paano mo masusolusyonan yung isang problema? Yung symptoms lang nakikita mo, yung root cause hindi mo nakikita. Always look deeper. Kaya pala nangangagat yung aso kasi takot na takot. Tapos, papagalitan mo pa. Anong gusto mo? Idiin mo pa yung aso? No. Kung nangangagat yung aso na takot, ako ang magbibigay ng kumpiyansa sa kanya para lalong gumanda yung pananaw niya sa mundo. And I don't care kung mahalin niya ako o hindi. And what happens? Some of my clients would say, Sir Les, bakit parang mas mahal ka ng aso ko? It's because I was the one who helped the dog to switch from being fearful to gain some confidence. Ako yung bridge. So kung ako yung bridge ng dogs and the dog owners, definitely yung aso would be appreciative of what I did. Kasi walang ibang tumingin sa kanya and nagbigay ng opportunity na ganon. Ako lang. So, yun yung sinasabi ko to everyone watching, sinasabi ko, hindi mo pwedeng tignan lahat yung symptoms sa animal cruelty, everything, sa animal welfare. You need to attack the root. And once you know the root, lahat yan mawawala. Ganun ang asawa ko sa akin.
Siya ba yun? Kayo po ba ang nag-train?
Siya nag-train sa akin.
No.
Stress na naman yung asawa ko. Anong kailangan ng asawa ko? Ito muna. Kailangan paglutuin yan.
No. There was something that I learned recently because nga people, when you're passionate about something, people question you or they don't understand it, right? Yeah. And so, trying to find myself. And sometimes you doubt yourself, right? Which is normal. And then the universe sends you messages, right? And one time I was listening to a book, an audiobook, because coming here is a long time. So I put on an audiobook. And I heard this line where they said, you have to have positive passion. Any genius has positive passion. I'm not a genius, you're not a genius, but you're passionate to the point that it looks like you're insane.
Yeah.
But when you look at anyone who's discovered anything, created anything,
You were insane.
they were insane, but positively.
Positively insane.
I mean, like Michelangelo apparently never removed his boots. That when he did remove his boots, the feet were bloody. Leonardo da Vinci. I mean, we're not that. I'm not that level. Maybe you are, but I'm not that level. But what I'm saying is that you become obsessed. So it's a positive, passionate obsession.
That's what I did last reaction video. Meron akong sinasabi na may bad obsession and may positive obsession. And we want our dogs to have some positive obsessions because that's the time we create. Same thing with what you're doing and what you're telling. You will be able to create when you have that obsession. When the details.
Yeah. No, but see that's what I'm saying. Like you experience how many dogs, right? And thousands, right? To be able to get what you have now, right? And me, it's like, that's why these things are, because there's no like manual for
There's
this.
no manual
for this, what we're doing, right? We don't even have proper sanctuaries and shelters in the Philippines, right? So it's like, it's constantly
No standards.
no standards. So it's like, okay, you experience this, okay, change this, redo this, undo this, unpack this, build this. You know, so you constantly are creating and destroying, and then coming, but it's the experiences, and some of them can be so painful, some of them can be so delightful, but like you're obsessed.
But you don't lose your focus.
No, you don't lose
Because-
your focus. Like when somebody was saying, "Oh, Rina, why don't you run for party list? Why don't you da-da-da?" And it's like,
Huwag natin
no.
pag-usapan yung party list na yan.
Diba?
Dami-dami nagsasabi sa akin itong party.
Yeah, you too,
Gusto
right?
mo ba maging congressman?
No. And for me, it's like, I will lose my focus.
Yeah.
Somebody's saying, oh, this, that. I said, no. I will concentrate on what I'm doing. I will take everything else that I'm learning, put it back there, make a halo-halo of stuff, and then figure it out. But I cannot veer from the path.
Yeah, and dogs would teach you that. Why? I'm good at dog behaviors, dog psychology. I did study civil engineering and flying. I can be good at that, but I'm very good at this. So do you want me to do the other things? Same thing with dogs. Aspin, my Aspin, passing, trespassing. She is so good at hurdles, jumping, akyat. Gusto ko ba siyang hindi na umakyat? Diba? Hindi mo pwedeng i-veer away kung ano ka. Because mawawala yung purpose sa life mo. Well, kung ano yung nangyayari with humans, na laging sinasabi ng mga dog owners, we treat our dogs like babies, dapat ganun din. Dapat hayaan mo rin silang mahanap kung ano yung purpose nila. If a dog comes to me ng purpose niya lang ay lumangoy, so be it, maging isda siya. Kung gusto niya, wala akong problema. Diba? Bakit ko problemahin yung kasiyahan niya? Masaya nga siya doon. Kung si Pasing, kaya, by the way, kaya Pasing kasi nag-trespass lang siya doon sa hacienda ko. Trespassing yon. So we named her Pasing. I love that dog so much. So, kung yun sila, dun sila. Just be the guide. So yung sinasabi ni Rina kanina na yung obsession to what you want, dun ka, wag mong ilihis yung sarili mo. Because the moment nilihis mo yun, hindi ka na masaya because that's not your purpose, and I bet you won't succeed.
No.
Diba?
Absolutely. No, that's why, so we have the hospitals, we have the thing. Sabi ko, hindi ko type talaga yung business. So hire someone to do the business side of it kasi taga-huli lang ako Taga-alaga lang at taga-huli lang ako
Let people do what they're good at.
Yes.
You do what you're good at.
Yeah.
I do what I'm
so,
good at.
and this is
Same
what
thing
we're
with dogs.
talking about with the dogs.
Yeah.
Let them do what they're good at.
Oh, kasi-
What is your talent?
Yeah.
So know thyself. What is your talent? Ito yung talent mo o ito yung contribution mo.
Diba? Hindi mo siya kailangang pilitin na maging jack of all trades.
Ayun na nga, di ba?
Pinipilit kasi minsan ng mga dog owners, gusto ko marunong ang sit down stay, marunong kang magganto. Anong pakialam ko kung yung isang aso ko hindi marunong mag-sit down stay, mag-basic obedience? Wala akong problema doon kasi well-behaved naman siya. Hindi ko kailangang i-push siya kaya, ay, hindi marunong mag-shake hands. So what? Ayaw niya eh. But is she behaving well? Is he behaving well? That's fine with me. Doesn't matter. Diba? Kung yung previous dogs kung tatlo laging nasa TV kasi ang gagaling umarte is because that's who they are.
You know what? You're somebody who respects.
I respect them.
You know, so many people do not respect kapwa-tao and hayop.
Lalo na sa hayop, dyan ako inis-nis.
No, so that's the thing, eh. Walang respeto, eh.
Yeah.
They always want to change you or to understand you. They put you in a box.
Yeah, but
You know, and that's what I'm saying, that the dog
it's a dog.
and
Meron siyang sarili niya.
and they can teach you respect.
Yeah.
And they can teach you self-respect.
They
To respect yourself.
The best teachers for me in the world is not humans,
Exactly.
animals. I've learned probably 80%, 90% of how I act, how I behave because of animals. The 10% probably sciences, math, blah, blah, blah. But the 90% of how I project myself, how I become the Pinoy dog whisperer, I learned from them. It's about you looking at it na there's learning. Kasi ito yung isang kinaiinis ko ngayon, madami sa social media ngayon, na pag halimbawa may behavior issues yung aso, may behavior issues, nangangagat, lagi nilang sinasabi na dapat ikaw yung amo, dapat tayo yung mas mataas kasi yung tao.
Be the dominant, the alpha.
Why is it that way? Bakit kailangan maging mataas? Hindi ba pwedeng magkaibigan lang kayo? If you stick on that perception, you are also kino-confine mo rin yung aso dun eh. Unlike thinking, if we are really the smarter species sa kanila, if we, then we will be able to think of other ways to be able to fulfill and make them behave well. Hindi yung pwedeng, pag ganyan, boss, hindi na pwedeng matulog sa kama. Walang joke. I've been doing this more than 2 decades. My dogs, they sleep on my bed. No one bit me. And sasabihin ng tao, it's because I'm the alpha. No, I'm their friend. Yes, ako yung gabay nila. I would lead them. There's a difference between leader and a boss. Diba? There's a big difference. And what you need for dogs, you need to lead them rather than being bossy at them. Being bossy at them, lalayuan ka lang ng loob niyan.
Look at all these lessons of life.
From a dog.
From a dog. Diba? The spelling of dog. There's a city veterinarian who I love from Cebu.
Yeah.
Alice Utlang. Hi, Doc Alice. And she rants sometimes. She's very religious and sometimes she rants on social media. And she goes, Iro is Cebuano,
Iro.
right? So she goes, dog, God, dog, God. You know, she puts those things to make people realize that they are not only a blessing, but they are your teachers. If you let them, if you are not trying to be one above them.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. If you are trying, parang ganun din lang yan eh, yung kaninang sinabi ko, diba? If you were trying to be the smartest person in the room, parang ganun din lang yan eh. If you think you're above the others, nothing. Madalas, parang ano ka lang eh, utos-utos na rin ganitong mangyayari. And rather than being equal, there's nothing wrong to be equal.
No,
I got nothing wrong if you equate me with a dog. I don't get offended. If sabihin mo siya, minsan may nagsabi sa akin, para na kayong aso, Sir Les, kasi parang alam mo na yung ganyan. I am so happy you said that because I really want to be like them. I really want to understand them. Pero sa ibang tao kasi they would be thinking, aso yun, dapat yun nasa kalye, dapat yung bantay lang.
Yeah.
It's offensive.
No, it's funny because when my children were growing up,
Yeah.
they all had their dogs. And my main purpose was because they teach you unconditional love. That we, as humans, cannot teach.
Yeah. Even responsibilities.
Yes.
The reason, doon ko na alala yung 7 years old ako, kaya hindi ako binigyan ng aso na lolo ko, is because he thinks I will fail. He thought I will fail. Pero nung 13 years old ako, na-ready na ako, nung alam niya na entrusting me, I became responsible. Para sa 13 years old, nakaharap mo nangangagat ng aso, pipilitin mo bang ang laking aso nun, paliguan yun? So doon ako nakakuha ng sense of responsibility. To be responsible to the life na entrusted to me.
But can you imagine what that seed
Yeah.
planted
Yeah.
and where you are now?
You have a Pinoy dog whisperer because of my lolo.
Oh,
And
di ba?
it's
What's
called,
his name?
Pablo. That's the reason
Pablo?
why I have a dog named Pablo.
Pablo, Sir Pablo. Lolo Pablo, salamat.
The reason... Wait. You will see the name of my dogs. Pablo is my lolo. Tanglao is my lolo. My horse, Domeng, is my lolo. I love my lolos. So, mga pangalan yan ng mga lolo. Nene, Lola Ane, Nene. Ganun yan eh. So, makita mo puro Tagalog-Halog. It's just valuing it. That's fine. Siguro may dumating.
Yeah, may dumating. So, what would your message of, there were so many messages now, but if there's one like hashtag, peg, or something that you would like to share with our fellow Pinoy Dog Whisperer and Kabiaya.
Tropa Pips.
Tropa Pips. I like that, Tropa Pips.
Selflessness
Selflessness.
doesn't mean you're losing something. When you become selfless unconsciously, when you become selfless when you become selfless unconsciously, you don't know that you are gaining more. Akala kasi ng tao when you give yourself, you just give it. Hindi nila alam na the universe will give you more because you are open to everything when you're selfless. One of my friend, I bet you know Cesar Milan. He always
He's your friend?
yeah. I just came in. We talk. I just came in California. Came in from stop playing. They're playing. I just came in from California with my wife. He wanted to meet my wife. That's the reason why.
Okay.
Cesar told me once, it's never about just being calm, dominant. The perfect energy for everyone should be calm, submissive. Even humans. Why? Because when you're calm, submissive, you're open to learnings. You are open to new energy. That's the reason why siguro naging magkaibigan kami. Kasi lagi niya sinasabi, you're good and the energy is calm, submissive daw sa akin. Because that's me. Gusto ko ma-absorb lahat eh. Hindi pwedeng dominant na lang tayo.
I have to learn to be submissive. Hindi ako submissive.
Yeah.
Matapang din paminsan-minsan.
Yeah, and hold on. Another thing when my dog died, one of my closest dogs, si Tatangs ko, one of the advice Cesar gave me, I was telling her, my right hand died. I don't know, I'm lost. Cesar told me, hey brother, if you need to be emotional. Be in that state. Because if you deny yourself being in that state, you won't be able to move on. You need to be patient were to get out of that emotional state and be back a better Lester. So, yun yung mga pinag-uusapan namin. Normally, we don't talk about dog training, but we talk about life. But another thing that I want to add up here, hey buddy, sa podcast na to, I hope people should understand that dog training is part of animal welfare. Animal welfare is not just about getting the dogs back healthy, walang sakit, giving them shelter, giving them food. Kailangan parte yung dog training sa animal welfare kasi sabi ko nga kanina, nung nagsimula tayo, madaming cause ng pet abandonment kasi may behavior issues. Diba? And again, when you are training your dog, kaya when I do training, kailangan kasama owner. Hindi pwedeng iniiwan sa akin. I don't accept na iiwan mo sa akin. Ako gagawa ng responsibilidad mo. Hindi. Kasama ka, ituturo ko sa'yo, gagawin mo. Why is it the case? It's because I want the dog and the dog owners to start bonding because of training. When they achieve something together, they become more bonded. Halimbawa tayo, we do something, we achieve something together, we know that we can achieve more. So kung nagawa ko sa relationship ng isang dog and ng isang dog owner na they achieve simple behavior modification para lang hindi mangagat yung aso, para mas maging kalmado yung aso, then that dog and dog owner would spend more time, would do things, would develop into something even greater. Mawawala yung pet abandonment. Mawawala yung animal cruelty. Ngayon, kung yun, household na yun, may kasamang mga bata sa bahay, nakikita nila yung ginagawa ng responsible dog owners, you are breeding responsible
Future. Yes.
Kids. Mas mahirap pong turuan ng matatanda ka sa bata. That's the reason why I love dog and kids together. Tandaan nyo, nagiging tama sa mata ng bata kapag nakikita nilang sinasaktan nyo yung aso. Which is mali. Diba? Kung halimbawa, merong isang tao na nananakit lang ng aso yung nakikita ng bata, the bata would think na it's okay. So ako, pag student ko, dogs and kids, talagang ino-open ko yung brain nila. This is how you handle this. More than that, mga kabiyaya, more than the training, more than the treats, more than the supplements, all of these are nice and good. But I want you to start loving your dog truthfully because for me, everything starts with the right kind of love.
Salamat, Lester. Nako, nakakaiyak. Super salamat. Thanks for... Actually, it's not 1 year, it's 2 years.
It's almost 2 years na pala.
It's almost 2 years. And like everything, proper timing.
Yeah, proper timing.
It's not up to us. It is... it comes from somewhere else.
I just don't want to be emotional about this, but Aspins are close to my heart. Any dog, they're close to my heart. I just hate to see these dogs being maltreated. I hate to see that these dogs are looked upon like low living animals.
Parang daga.
I hate it.
Yeah.
Sorry pero I hate it. Because they gave me so much that I think it's just right for me to give them more. They gave me my life. They gave me my wife. They gave me my dogs. More than the fame, more than the money, more than everything. They gave me... Alam mo yan, yung when you think no one loves you, you just look at the dog. Even if you don't know the dog would come to you. Minsan kakain ako sa karinderya, hindi ko kilala yung aso. It's not just because of the food, but lalapit sa akin and look me in the eye. Because they have feelings. They can sense how you feel. And when they sense how you feel, they just want to bring you to balance.
Yeah.
Lain akong mga kabiyaya.
Salamat! Thank you mga kabiyaya. Wanna say thank
Sana
you
may natutunan kayo.
Sana nga, we're just not two rambling fools. Maybe we can find other fools like
Baka
us.
akala nyo lang mga ano.
May our tribe increase.
Akala nyo mga ano lang kami baliw dito.
Okay lang. Thank you, Ayala Mall, so much for your support and for creating safe spaces for your community animals. Until next time. Bye, guys. Hello, mga kabiyaya. We are here to discuss anything under veterinary services, rescues, adoptions, TNVR, animal welfare, responsible pet ownerships. Anything and everything as well in between. Kung nais po ninyong magiging isang biyaya sa aming mga alagang aso't pusa, please comment below or message our Facebook page. We'd love to hear from you. Maraming salamat.